They both made groundbreaking discoveries in physics, mathematics, and astronomy, but they also had different approaches and perspectives on the nature of reality. Here are some of the main similarities and differences between them. Both Einstein and Newton were born in the month of April, although in different centuries. Einstein was born on April 14, 1879 in Germany, while Newton was born on January 4, 1643 in England. Both Einstein and Newton were interested in a wide range of subjects, such as physics, mathematics, astronomy, philosophy, and theology. They both pursued their curiosity and creativity with passion and rigor. Both Einstein and Newton made seminal contributions to optics, the science of light and vision. Newton discovered that white light is composed of different colors that can be separated by a prism. He also developed the theory of color and the reflecting telescope. Einstein explained the photoelectric effect, which showed that light behaves as both a wave and a particle. He also predicted the bending of light by gravity, which was confirmed by observations of starlight during a solar eclipse. Both Einstein and Newton developed new branches of mathematics to support their physical theories. Newton invented calculus, a powerful tool for studying the rates of change of quantities. He also developed the binomial theorem and the method of flux ions. Einstein used tensor analysis, a generalization of calculus that deals with multidimensional arrays of numbers. He also introduced the concept of spacetime, a four-dimensional continuum that combines space and time. Both Einstein and Newton formulated laws of motion and gravitation that describe how objects move under the influence of forces. Newton's laws of motion are based on the concepts of mass, force, and inertia. They state that an object at rest or in uniform motion will remain so unless acted upon by a net force, that the acceleration of an object is proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass, and that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's law of universal gravitation states that every mass attracts every other mass with a force that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Einstein's theory of general relativity is based on the principle of equivalence, which states that gravity is indistinguishable from acceleration. It states that gravity is not a force, but a consequence of the curvature of spacetime caused by the presence of mass energy. It also predicts that gravity affects not only matter, but also light and time. Both Einstein and Newton faced challenges and controversies in their scientific careers. Newton had disputes with other scientists, such as Robert Hooke, Gottfried Leibniz, and John Flamsteed, over priority, plagiarism, and collaboration. He also suffered from nervous breakdowns and depression, possibly due to mercury poisoning from his alchemical experiments. Einstein had difficulties with some aspects of quantum mechanics, such as the uncertainty principle and entanglement, which he considered incomplete or paradoxical. He also faced persecution from the Nazis, who denounced his theory as Jewish physics and forced him to flee Germany in 1933. Both Einstein and Newton were remarkable geniuses who changed our understanding of the universe. They had different views on some fundamental questions, such as the nature of space, time, light, and gravity, but they also shared some common ground in their quest for knowledge and truth. They are both examples of how science can be creative, elegant, and profound.